When your business purchases long-term equipment like vehicles, machinery, or heavy hardware, you don't just log them as standard expenses. To keep your balance sheet accurate and automate your monthly write-offs, you want to use the dedicated asset tracking tool inside QuickBooks. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your first item and set up its automated depreciation schedule step by step. Let's get right into it. To get started, slide your cursor over to the left-hand navigation bar. Click to All Apps, and then open up the Accounting section, and from the drop-down list, click directly on Fixed Assets. If this is your very first time tracking equipment here, you'll see a clean welcome screen with an option to handle items one by one or import in bulk. Go ahead and click the solid green button that says Add an Asset. This slides open your main data drawer from the right. First up are your depreciation details. Enter the exact amount you paid in the purchase price box, and set your acquisition dates right next to it. If the item doesn't lose value over time, you can check the non-depreciable asset box at the top. Otherwise, use the drop-down menus below to choose your calculation style, like straight-line depreciation, and fill in the estimated useful life in years along with any salvage value. Now, scroll down slightly to tie this physical asset to your accounting ledger. Under Accounts Details, you'll need to link 3 specific categories: your main asset account, your accumulated depreciation account, and your depreciation expense account. This ensures QuickBooks updates your financial statements completely behind the scenes. Once those fields are mapped, glide down to the bottom right and click the green Save button. Your item is now securely locked into your dashboard registry, and QuickBooks will automatically calculate and track its changing value month after month. If this setup guide helped organize your fixed equipment today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.